Want to sharpen your child's finger control and focus all in just a few taps? This quiet little game does wonders for body awareness and fine motor prep. All you need is your hand and their hand and a calm setting. You can even use a blindfold or towel later for added challenge. Ask your child to rest their hand still. Gently tap one finger and have them name it. Or better, move only that finger. Start with just naming the finger if needed. Let them watch at first. Then build up to identifying by feel and moving just the one you tapped. Want to level up? Try it with eyes closed or behind the screen so they can only rely on touch. If your child is sensitive, begin with soft taps or try a brush. You can even make it playful. Try a puppet finger doing the tapping. This game is fantastic for kids who bump into things, struggle with finger control, or need extra body awareness before writing or cutting. From typing to pointing to holding a pencil, this simple touch and move game builds confident, coordinated hands. One finger at a time, one focused movement at a time.